welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 130 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it is amazing. It is so good. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you would like to check those out, there is a playlist in the description box, and I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 130. Wow, the very first sentence is something that I need to work on, and probably most of you need to work on. It says, do not be so hard on yourself. We're starting out just right into it. Do not be so hard on yourself. I can bring good even out of your mistakes. Your finite mind tends to look backwards, longing to undo decisions you have come to regret. This is a waste of time and energy, leading only to frustration. Instead of floundering in the past, release your mistakes to me. Look to me in trust, anticipating that my infinite creativity can weave both good choices and bad into a lovely design. Man, because you are human, you will continue to make mistakes. Thinking that you should live an error-free life is a symptomatic of pride. Your failures can be a source of blessings, humbling you and giving you empathy for other people in their weaknesses. Man, best of all, failure highlights your dependence on me. I am able to bring beauty out of the morass of your mistakes. Trust me and watch to see what I will do. Man, how good is this one? Don't be so hard on yourself. I can bring good even out of your mistakes. Man, I know I have most definitely. I'm the type of person that if I say something at the grocery store and I think that it could have possibly offended somebody, and it not even be an offensive comment, but it just be something that I thought, well, gosh, I hope I didn't hurt her feelings, or oh, I hope I said that correctly. Or I'm the type of person that I will think about that for days after it happens. And I'm talking about, I'm serious, as something as small as making a comment to the cashier at the cash register. You know what I mean? Like, I'm that type of person. I will go back and almost dwell on that for days. Like, gosh, I hope I said the right thing, or man, I hope I didn't hurt their feelings, or I hope I didn't offend that person, or, you know, whatever it is. I definitely tend to do that. That is where I need to stop and just say, Lord, here it is. If I did make a mistake, I'm giving it to you. Please do something with it. You know, I mean, we can't go back and change the things we do or change the things we say, but we can sure learn from those things. We can learn how to not let it happen again, or we can learn how to be, like this says, empathetic to other people, because other people makes mistakes just like we do. You know, I mean, I think it does teach us a lot of empathy, you know, when we make mistakes, and it humbles us. Sometimes I know myself, I've needed to be humbled before. And let me tell you, when the Lord humbles you, you know you're humbled, I promise. But it's worth it. Just to know that you're growing and you're doing the right thing and you're learning from God. And God can take those times and absolutely turn them into something good. This is so good. It says, because you are human, you will continue to make mistakes. Thinking that you should live an error-free life is symptomatic of pride. Your failures can be a source of blessings, humbling you and giving you empathy for other people in their weaknesses. Best of all, failure highlights your dependence on me. I am able to bring beauty out of the morass of your mistakes. Trust me and watch to see what I will do. Man, that's so, so good. So, so good. Okay, let's do the verses. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Romans 8:28. I wrote this in, I think, on my closet door. It was either in my bedroom above the bedroom window or above the closet door. I can't remember, one or the other, or maybe the bathroom door. I don't know, but either way, this verse is in my bedroom on the header in our new house. So like we went out, if you missed that devotional, I actually talked about it a couple devotionals back. My daughter and I, well, my son too, but all three of us went out and we wrote Bible verses on all the headers in our new house. And it was just to bless the house, more or less. And just to, show reverence to the Lord that it's his house. The only reason we are getting that house is because of God. So I don't know. I thought it was something special to do, especially it was special to do with my kids. So, but anyways, I actually wrote that particular verse in my bedroom. Okay, let's keep going. When pride comes, then comes disgrace. But with humility comes wisdom. Proverbs 11:2. Listen to that again. When pride comes, then comes disgrace. But with humility comes wisdom. There's always something to be learned. Always, guys. Always. Okay. But as for me, I watch in hope for the Lord. I wait for God, my Savior. My God will hear me. Micah 7:7. So, so good. Don't be so hard on yourself. That's very hard to do because I know myself. I am very hard on myself. I am. I'm very hard on myself and I need to give myself some grace. And I know most of you probably do too. I mean, I don't think I'm alone in being hard on myself. I think lots of people are that way. We just need to give our mistakes and our failures to God. Every time I pray, I say, God, please forgive me of my sins and where I have failed you. I always say that in my prayers. I fail God every day. We're human. It happens. But it doesn't mean that that's the end thing, God can take those mistakes and those failures and he can turn them into something absolutely amazing. And you can learn from it. That's probably the best part. All right, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you all so, so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.